What's going on, all my crypto and finance people? I wanted to come on and talk to you guys and share my mind on exactly what's going on today. Everywhere that I see all the reports on a very basic headline news level is this new Chinese company, AI company that came out and is supposed to be rivaling Open AI, right? And it caused the tech drop in the market. And I just want to come on and tell you how much bullshit that is. Right? That's the left hand sprinkling the salt while the right hand is, fucking digging in your pockets. So, this past Friday, we had the Bank of Japan. They cut or up their rates. They upped their rates. So if you go back to August, just this past August 2024, Japan rose their rates for the first time since 2008. So you have to think about how many orders were on the books, how many loans, all the leveraging, all that stuff, right? Then you got to think of inflation. So it was time. They definitely had to up their rates. And that day we had a spike down in every market across the world. So Friday we have the latest, and there was some rumors that we'll probably have another spike down and another correction coming and all this stuff. And we didn't have exactly what we had in August. I believe what's going on today has to play with that. Not some Chinese AI stock. That's no. And remember this number, 1 trillion. Supposedly $1 trillion came out of tech stocks today. And what asset class is working on AI, crypto? Trump wants to be the leader of crypto throughout the world. He wants the United States of America to be the haven for Bitcoin and the likes, right? Now, we've had 2 bull runs so far in crypto. All leveraged, all of it retail. There has been some that was banks and financial institutions, but the majority, I would say, is individual retail, because banks weren't allowed to touch it. A lot of finance companies weren't allowed to touch it. The only people that were allowed to touch it on that level were portfolios of like $1 million or plus, 10 million plus. Because like Goldman Sachs, all that stuff, they've been in, but again, it's only been open to a certain select few portfolios. So we've had majority of our past 2 bull runs all retail. This one coming up within the next week or two, what's going on right now is allowing the banks and Wall Street to get ready. We have a $3.5 trillion market cap throughout the whole space. The whole space of crypto has $3.5 trillion invested in it. Almost every financial guru, every advisor in that world is predicting up to $15 trillion coming in. So I've been saying 10, 12, right? 10, 12 to 15 trillion. So let's call it 12 to 15 trillion dollars are coming in to this market. All from governments, institutions, corporations. It's their time to play, because there's regulations that are getting implemented. Trump already said he wants America to have its own crypto portfolio, American-based crypto portfolio. And so where are they going to get this money? How are they going to get this money into crypto? Retail doesn't have that much money. The banks and Wall Street, on the books, cash flow, They don't have that much money. So what do they have to do? They have to create that cash flow to come in. So this whole Chinese AI company bullshit being listed, that's the left hand. That's the left hand. Like I said, remember, $1 trillion. We're at 3.5. I wouldn't be surprised if within this month coming, February, by the end, that's not 4.5, if not more. It should be more. But just remember, 3.5 by the end of February will be at 4.5 or more. Bookmark this and watch. So we have a capitulation move coming. You have to clear out to move money over and get ready for this crypto boom. Don't get shaken out. Don't get scared. Don't believe in this Chinese AI whatever. I mean, awesome. It's great that they're, competitive and they're just making the technology better and better, getting it, smoothed out. And now we have options of where we can go to use and test out and get familiar and learn all this stuff, right? But there's a huge movement of AI within the crypto market. And BlackRock even said they want to work on tokenizing the stock market itself. So we're moving to tokenization of everything. That's a whole nother conversation. But definitely tokenization of stocks. So they want to get in on that front before the huge explosion, right? So they're going to put forth this story of this AI company coming out and causing this huge, fall in the American stock market when it's not true. Yeah, Bank of Japan upped their rates. Trump announced Friday, again, Friday 2025, that he basically wants the Fed to do an emergency rate cut. Now that tells me he wants it to coincide with Bank of Japan doing their rate hike, right? So people are just starting to take positions. That's what this really is. So again, excuse me, don't get shaken out. If you can, buy more. Average your buy-in. This isn't financial advice. This is just if what I'm saying is true. You have to buy more. Average your buy-in. Because what will come within the next week or two, this capitulation move should happen this week. And if we end January as a red month, be ready. Be ready for February, March, and April. I can just do it. From, being a friend, just leverage, do your own research. Do your own research, check it out. But I'm telling you, they're getting ready, they're preparing themselves to move a bunch of money on over to the crypto market. And the only thing that they're telling you and giving you a little hint about is AI. That part sure is true. There's a lot of money that's going to be flowing into AI projects. But losing $1 trillion overnight because some Chinese company came out with their own chat GPT. Come on, you got to be smarter than that. So just do your own research, look into it. I'll dive deeper into it. I'll explain more. But get prepared, get ready. February is going to be a hell of a month. Check you guys later.